Cruising through the 805 and I'm dirty cop watching. Officer, what's your name and your badge number? And I know my rights violated and it's a problem. Mask on, gloves on, yeah, I'm out here. Red dot on record to expose all you tyrants. Retro Jayy. Watch.
What's going on, YouTube? 805 Cop Watch here. We're right here on Juliuston in Santa Maria, California. Something going on down here. Sorry about that. I had to turn my phone off. Well, there's like 4 or 5 cops here. Got this Ford pulled over here.
Hey man, I appreciate what you're doing and I understand what you're doing. Would you mind hanging out down a little bit further down the street? Don't want you to.
I'm not going to hang out down the street. I'm on a public sidewalk.
I understand that.
And I'm not impeding, and I'm not instructing.
Yeah, we're gonna need you to move further down.
You don't need me to move more
Yes,
down.
we do.
What's your name and badge number?
My name's Officer Valdez.
Badge number?
I'll give it to you over here. Let's go. Let's go.
Leave me alone,
You're
dude.
not gonna stand right here.
Leave me alone. I'm not doing anything wrong.
Okay, we need you to move. We're in the middle of an investigation. We just need you to move back.
I'm more than 15 feet away from your guys' investigation.
Okay. We need you more than 15 feet.
No, you don't.
Yes, we do.
What do you need more than 15 feet for?
This is an officer safety issue. Okay?
I'll give you a couple more feet, dude.
That's a negative on that.
Negative on registration, okay.
¿Estás tomando alcohol hoy? Sí. Entonces, ¿qué estás tomando y cuánto? ¿Qué modelos, verdad? Hey brother, what Facebook or YouTube are you from? My name is Officer Mandufano, badge 90969 before you ask. Where are you? What YouTube are you from, brother?
I don't answer questions, man.
No?
No.
Alright, well what you did over there when you cross the street, it's called jaywalking. And you did not use a...
I didn't see any traffic.
Well,
I don't see a crosswalk.
It's jaywalking. The crosswalk is over there.
And then you guys are sitting in the middle of a... You guys are more of a distraction than I am, parked in the middle of the road.
We did a traffic enforcement stop. Okay?
All 5 of you units.
All right, brother. So
it takes all 5 of you guys to do a traffic stop?
Look, I'm not trying to start no argument. Look, technically, you did jaywalk, or you did not use a crosswalk. Look, brother. I'm not trying to argue. All right. If I want to be an officer and do all that shit, I could do all that. All right.
What?
Look.
What? Give me a ticket for jaywalking?
Yeah.
That ain't shit. Write me a ticket.
I could do it.
Write me a ticket.
All right. Do you have an ID on you?
No.
No? All right, okay, take a seat then.
No, I'll stand up.
No, take a seat, brother. Take a seat. Take a seat. Take a seat, brother.
Come on, man. You don't got to manhandle me.
Take a seat.
I'm going to take a seat right here, man.
All right, take a seat.
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. I'm going to take a seat. I'm going to take a seat. Calm down.
All right, cross your ankles for me, brother. All right. What's your name, date of birth?
Are you suspecting me of committing a crime?
I just told you, brother.
Are you suspecting me of committing a
Brother, I
crime?
just
That's a
told you.
traffic infraction.
Okay. All right, what's your name, date of birth?
I'm not giving you my name.
If you're not gonna identify yourself, we'll have to go the long way, take you to the station. But you probably have to go to jail, brother.
Are you threatening me with arrest if I don't identify?
Brother, you have to identify yourself.
Are
At this
you
point,
threatening
you're
me with
legally
arrest?
detained. You're
Are
legally
you threatening me with arrest?
detained. Brother, you're legally detained. It could be an
I'm
option.
illegally detained?
Yes, legally.
Legally.
Yes, you are.
Why are
detained.
you detaining me?
Like I said, you did not use a crosswalk, and you did jaywalking between two stop signs.
Is that a crime?
Yes. That's why he's explaining it to you.
So are you
All
threatening to take me to jail if I don't identify?
It's a possibility.
No, I'm asking you a question.
If it
Are
goes that
you-
way, I will have to. Yes.
So you're threatening me with arrest?
It's not a threat. It's just telling you what could happen. Do you want to identify yourself to me, brother?
Are you threatening me with
Do
arrest?
you want to identify yourself to me, brother? Yes or no?
Are you going to arrest me if I don't identify?
Yes. Because I need to give you a citation. Like I said, for jaywalking, or not failure to use a crosswalk. A crosswalk is just down the street, brother. It's not that hard. All right.
So this is retaliation
From what?
for me filming you guys.
No.
This prick right here,
No, brother.
this little fairy.
Excuse me?
You're a little fairy.
Hey, brother. So what's your name?
So give me that.
Hey, don't touch my equipment.
You're not gonna hold a
Don't
weapon.
touch my
You're
equipment.
not gonna hold a weapon while we're.
That's not a weapon.
All right, brother.
You're illegally arresting me.
You're
No.
being detained.
You're illegally detaining me.
There's.
I don't
not
have
being
any
illegally
weapons.
detained.
I'm not a threat. You see, I'm not a threat. So guys, they're putting the cuffs on me.
Do you have ID on you, brother?
No, I don't have ID on me.
No. Do you have any weapons on you that can poke me in the
No,
face?
sir.
No.
No, sir.
All right, brother. You can put it down for weapons, all right, brother?
Step on this.
Can
Yeah.
I stand up? Nope. I can't stand up? Nope. You're gonna make me sit on the ground like a dog? I never say you're a dog. Why can't I stand up? Body cam. I got cigarettes over here. You're going into my pockets. They're violating my rights,
He's not reaching.
and I'm not helping them. You know you guys are in violation of the Bain Act. Are you aware of that?
Nope. Can you inform me what the band
The Bain Act protects against threats, intimidation, and coercion, and the attempts to interfere with one state
so
or
you don't have
federal
no ID on
statutory or constitutional
You have
rights.
no ID on you?
No ID on it.
All right. Give me a quick second, okay? Stand up.
Can I stand up now?
No,
Why not?
you're detained.
I'm
When we have
detained.
people detained, we have them sit down.
You don't have to have me sit down. It's up to your discretion.
It's for your safety.
For my safety.
Yes.
Why you're gonna hurt me?
No, it's everyone's safety. It's for your safety, my safety, anyone who might be walking by safety.
You have a badge number?
I do. It's 90922.
So now you want to identify.
I gave you my name earlier.
You know you're in violation of the Bain Act, and you're violating my First Amendment right to film in public.
Okay. You're still filming. We're not violating your First Amendment right.
Yeah.
You're still
Where's
filming.
my camera?
It's right there. I just moved it back so I didn't step on it. And your body camera thing is still filming, so we're not preventing you from filming.
Well, you got me illegally detained
You're not illegally detained. Well, my partner explained to you why he detained you?
for jaywalking.
Yes, that's why he
For
detained you.
jaywalking. There wasn't even anybody in the road, dude. I'm sitting here doing my job, and you're preventing me from doing that. That's another violation of the Bain Act.
Preventing you from
I'm
doing your
working.
job?
I'm employed right now.
Who do you work for?
Myself. And you're preventing me from doing my job.
Your job is to report the police, correct?
My job is to do what I'm doing.
So you're still doing it. You're reporting.
Under illegal detainment. And harassment.
Listen, so I don't know what the end game
And you're
here is.
harassing me.
I'm not harassing you.
Yes, you are. You guys are harassing me right now. You had no reason to come up to me right now. I wasn't impeding. I wasn't obstructing. I was more than 15, 20 feet away from you guys.
Where do you
come over
where
here
do you
and
get
turn
the
on that light
15,
bar.
20 feet thing?
More
So,
than 15,
so let me explain.
6 feet? You guys were more than 6 feet away from
So
each other.
let me tell you this: the light is for our safety. I don't let people stand behind me without illuminating them. Yeah, I've seen you on multiple calls. You
Yeah,
haven't
so
done
why
anything
are you-
violent. You haven't done anything violent, but I don't know.
Fuck, dude.
That's what I do for mine and my partner's safety. So
That is like fairy shit, dude. You're being like one of these typical stereotypical cops here. You want to be seen like that?
no, I want to get
You
done.
want to
With,
be seen
I
like that?
want to get done with my partner's investigation and go do other things.
Yeah, you want to
That's
go
what I'm
uphold
trying
the
to
law, like you guys supposed to be doing. So you
Exactly.
guys got me over here on the curb for jaywalking. That's upholding the Constitution. That's how you're doing your due diligence out here for jaywalking, dude. That's what I'm trying to say, dude.
I understand where you're coming from.
And then I asked you, can I stand up?
Yeah.
And you could be.
Let me explain to you.
You know what I mean?
I
Cool,
don't.
and be like,
yes, I could.
you want to
But
get
I
on
don't
my
do
bad
that.
side too?
But listen,
You know what I mean?
you're you seem like a nice guy, even with people who are not nice people. That's my policy for everybody, and my partners are all the same. We don't let people stand when they're detained. You're detained for a reason. That's why the same reason we usually don't let people smoke when they're detained or arrested. It's just for everybody's safety, because we don't want to be on one of those videos where we're, where we're in a use of force and stuff like that, and people are getting hurt.
Oh no, you'd be sued.
Yeah,
you
so
know?
we're
Probably
doing it the
lose your
safe
job.
way. Yeah, we're doing it the safe way.
What's your name again?
Well, there's
Valdez.
and yours.
I don't answer questions, man. You can't make me. I didn't do nothing wrong.
All right, brother. So, like I said, these are all options too. Like I said, I don't want to press the issue. All right, I'm just going to release at this point. All right, brother? Does that sound good with you?
For jaywalking, dude? You're
Sound good
doing
with
this
you?
for jaywalking.
Does that sound good with you, brother?
Yeah.
All right. All right, brother. I'm not here to make enemies, brother.
No, but you got me on the curb over here for jaywalking,
Yeah,
dude.
put your hands
You know I
on
don't
your
have nothing, you know?
Well, I don't know.
You know, I'm not a threat. You guys see me all the time, dude. Come on, man.
I don't know who you are, brother. It's the first time I contacted you, brother. All right?
I put my hand down.
Hey, here, man. All right, brother. Just, your camera's behind you. All right? Just next time, just, you're more than welcome to film. I don't really care.
I'm more than welcome to film. Of course I am. You
Okay.
guys are stopping my employment here. I was in public. You guys are in violation of the Bain Act. You're not aware of that?
What is it?
The Bain Act protects against threats, intimidation, and coercion
Simple.
against anyone
Okay. Right on.
who attempts to interfere with one's state or federal statutory or constitutional rights.
All right, brother.
And by you guys coming over here and preventing me from filming,
I didn't prevent you from filming.
going hands-on, not
Well,
de-escalating anything,
Like I said, brother.
you know?
All right. So I told you the reasons why you're being detained. All right, brother. So at this point,
And at this point, you're still not getting my ID.
We're gonna go, and you're gonna go. All right.
And what's your,
Sound good?
Valdez, right? What's your name, badge number?
Mandujano, 90969.
See you later, Fairy. So they thought they were gonna get my ID. Didn't get shit. They thought they were, but they didn't get nothing. All right, guys. Well, I'll keep it rolling for another minute here. So they just tried to violate me, and it didn't work. And in one of these quiet streets here, they're known for that kind of shit. But anyways, it was Valdez who started the whole thing. But they never got my ID, so, and they never gave me a citation. So anyways, right here in Santa Maria, California, guys. To the next one, I'm out.